This is not a normal voice AI agent. It is a WhatsApp AI caller. And in this video, I'm going to show you how exactly you can make a voice agent that works on your WhatsApp number. So watch this video to the end if you want the exact blueprint, the exact tech stack, step-by-step tutorial that will be required to build a WhatsApp AI caller for your business. But before that, let's see a quick demo. So now let's see this WhatsApp AI caller in action.
Hey there, how's it going? I'm Luna from Small Group.
Hey Luna, I just found a video on YouTube and I'm looking to automate my entire blog writing automation.
I understand. So what brings you to Small Group? Are you looking to automate anything in your business?
So I have a few clients and I want to automate writing blogs on WordPress site for them.
Got it. So you're looking to automate blog writing for your clients. What are some of the biggest challenges you're facing with that?
I think writing these blogs and publishing it.
Okay, I see. So writing and publishing the blog is taking up too much of your time. This sounds like exactly what you need. Would you like to see how this works with a quick 15-minute demo call?
Absolutely. A 15-minute demo sounds good.
Perfect. What day and time works best for you? I can check my calendar in real time.
As soon as possible.
Okay, I'm checking my calendar. How about tomorrow, August 23rd, at 2 p.m.? Is that a time that works for you?
Works with me.
Great. August 23rd at 2 p.m. for 15 minutes. And does this look correct?
Sounds good. So as you saw, this voice AI agent just finally booked a call with me. I can also show you how it booked the entire event. So you can see that it booked me a slot in 16th of August at 11:30 p.m. That is only because of the time difference. I'm in a different time zone right now. But you can see that this is the entire calendar event that has been scheduled. It is for 16th August and it has also added my entire email for this. So this entire thing was able to do using this WhatsApp AI agent. In this video, I'm going to break down each and every step that you can use to build this entire WhatsApp AI agent for your business. If this is what excites you, well, in the next 10 minutes, I'm going to show you how to build your own WhatsApp AI calling agent from scratch. And for this entire video, we'll be using Twilio as an SIP provider. We'll also be using LiveKit for creating our own local hosted voice AI agent for this entire system. So let's get started. First, let's understand a good architecture of this entire voice AI agent. So this voice AI agent has basically 5 parts. First is going to be WhatsApp, second is Twilio, then is LiveKit, then is n8n, and then is Google Calendars. Now to set up this WhatsApp AI agent, we need WhatsApp and specifically we need Meta. So in this WhatsApp node, we need to set up a Meta business account where we can add a WhatsApp number. Now to add this WhatsApp number, we'll be purchasing a number first on Twilio. After we've purchased the number, we'll be adding this to a WhatsApp AI agent. I'll show you each and every step, don't worry about it. After we've integrated Twilio number with our WhatsApp Business Manager, what we're going to do is we're going to create a local hosted voice AI agent. What do I mean by local hosted voice AI agent? You can use Wappi, 11 Labs, or even other platforms, but for this purpose, we'll be using LiveKit to create our own voice AI agent using Python script, and we'll be going to run it on a local machine. So whenever anyone is going to interact with it, it is going to be running on a local machine. Of course, you can host it on a cloud server using a VPS, but for this demonstration, we'll be doing a local hosted version. Perfect. So now let's understand what are the next steps. The next step is going to be creating a local hosted voice AI agent. We'll be using LiveKit as a Python library. We'll also be using n8n and Google Calendars. Why do we need n8n? Well, we will be creating an MCP server using n8n and we'll be providing all the tools for checking calendar activity and for also rescheduling these events. We'll be providing these features in the MCP server itself. So if I show you how the n8n MCP server looks like, it looks like something like this. So we have this MCP trigger and we have all these separate tools. One, we have a check availability tool, then we have a create an event tool, and then we also have an update an event in Google Calendar tool. Now this MCP server has the power to go to each and every functionality and change all these details. Now the next part comes here is LiveKit. So we have this entire Python repository that you can download using the link in the description. After you have downloaded this entire GitHub repo, what you need to do is you need to create an env file and you need to add all these API credentials: Google API key, LiveKit URL, LiveKit API key, LiveKit API secret, as well as your n8n MCP server URL. Now that you've done that, your entire LiveKit agent is up and ready. So now, in order to run this entire voice AI agent, you just have to run a single command: agent.py space console. As soon as I do it, our entire voice AI agent will be running in our local machine. Let's see a quick demo.
Mean. And what automation challenges are you facing, man? Hi, this is Luna from Small Group. How can I help you with business automation today?
Hey Luna, I'm Prakash and I'm looking for some AI automations.
Perfect. What automation challenges are you facing, Prakash?
Well, I saw a video on SEO blog writer, and I'm looking to automate that part of my business.
I understand. Automating your SEO blog writing could definitely free up your time. What processes take up most of your time in that area?
I think research, adding SEO, creating a blog, adding images.
Got it. Research, SEO optimization, content creation, and image integration. This could help your business significantly. Would you be interested in a quick 15-minute demo to see how we can automate these tasks?
Yep, sounds good to me.
Great. What day and time work for you for the demo?
All right, this conversation can go on, but for demo purposes, I just wanted to show you that when you set up this entire GitHub repo, you just need to add all the credentials. As soon as you do that, you will be able to create and run this entire voice AI agent in your local machine. Now let's understand how you can set up these environment variables. Now this is the entire LiveKit library that is being used. So I'll show you in LiveKit what we have done. So this is the LiveKit dashboard. I've created a free account, and now what I've done is we have created a free account, so you don't have to pay for anything. You just have to sign up and it's going to be a free account for you. Just go to telephony and go to configurations. As soon as you do that, you can see that we have added my own WhatsApp number, and I have my dispatch rule, my rule name, destination room, everything like that. But for your purpose, what you can do is you can click on create new, and you can create a trunk here. As soon as you do this, just name it something. So for example, WhatsApp new, and you can add your WhatsApp number. Now, where can you get these WhatsApp number? For that, you have to go and create an account on Twilio. Now create an account on Twilio and just click on buy a number. As soon as you do that, in Twilio, you can see that we already have a number. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy this entire number and paste it into this trunk. As soon as I do this, I'm just going to click on create. Perfect. So you can see that it is a WhatsApp new, and I have added my phone number here as well. It is created right now. Now, one more thing that I need to do is create a dispatch rule. So rule is going to be WhatsApp new rule. It's going to be, this rule type is going to be individual, and room prefix is going to be all new. Okay, now let's just create it. Perfect. So now what I've done is I have created a dispatch rule and I've created a trunk as well. I need to get some API keys, so I'm just going to click on API keys here, and I'm going to click on create key. I can name it WhatsApp new, and I'm just going to say generate key. It's going to give me API secret, API key, as well as environment variables. So I'm just going to copy each one of them, and I'm going to paste it to my env website. So I'm just going to paste it into this env file. Now our LiveKit API keys are all set up. Now what we need is Google API key that you can easily get from Google Cloud Console. So I'm not going to show that step. But there is another thing, that is n8n MCP server. Now in the backend, we have this MCP server that we have created. How you can create it? You just need to add an MCP trigger in your n8n. As soon as you do this, you just have to add 3 of your tools. So Google Calendar. Inside this, you can set the operation as well. This is for creating an event. Then we can have a check availability and update an event as well. Perfect. So now I have this MCP server. I'm just going to copy this URL and I'm going to paste it in our MCP server. So now our MCP server is set, our LiveKit API keys are set, our Google API keys. So now we can easily connect our local hosted voice AI agent to LiveKit Cloud. And why do we need to do that? If I tell you the process that we show in this whiteboard, it goes something like this. So this is currently local. As soon as you're able to run a local voice AI agent, you just need to put this LiveKit into the cloud. And after connecting this LiveKit cloud, we will be connecting this to our Twilio account, and of course a Twilio WhatsApp are already connected. So in the next phase, we'll be discussing how you can connect Twilio and WhatsApp to this LiveKit cloud server. Now let's understand how you can set up the entire Twilio account as well as connect it to your WhatsApp business manager. Let's click on buy a number. As soon as I click on buy a number, it's going to ask me for a few details. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to use a US number. So I can get any of the numbers that I see in this list. But since I already have a number, I'm not going to get it. You can choose any number that you want. As soon as you click on buy, you're going to get it on the active numbers. Now what I've done is, you can see that there is a webhook for voice and there is a webhook for messaging. I'm going to connect all these to a WhatsApp business manager. How to do that? Let me show you. So I'm going to go over this WhatsApp business manager, and I'll show you the link in the description. So now in this WhatsApp business manager, you can already see that we have added a WhatsApp business number. If you want a reference of how you can do this, just check out this video. So now that we have done that, we have this WhatsApp number that is linked to Twilio account. Now the only link that is remaining is connecting this LiveKit to Twilio. This connection is done. This local hosted voice AI agent is done. Now this connection is not done. So we need to make sure that our Twilio is connected to a LiveKit cloud URL. The way to do that is you have to go over this TWI ML apps, and in this TWI ML apps, you can see that we have created a new app. In this new app, you can see that we have an app SID, we have the request URL, and we have the message configuration. I can also create a new TWI ML app for the purpose of this video. Let's name it what's new, and these request URL are going to come from. Now for the purpose of this video, let's create a new TWI app so that we can understand how we can set everything up. So I'm going to go over TWI app. I want to click on create new, and I'm just going to name this WhatsApp new. And I'm going to add these kind of configurations later. Perfect. So a new app has been created. Now I'm just going to search for TWI bin. So now we have this. And now in this exact thing, just copy the same, write the same name that we named the app, and you just have to copy paste this code. Again, you have to add your own SIP URI that you can find in the LiveKit section. In the LiveKit section, you can see it on the top right section. There is a SIP URI. Just have to copy this URI and paste it in the TWI ML bin right here. Add the code in the description of this video for easy access. I'm just gonna click on create here, and I'm gonna click on save. You can see that TWI ML has been updated. Now we have this URI. We have this URL. Now I'm going to go back, since it is already saved. I'm going to go back to manage numbers, and there should be a WhatsApp sender. So I'm just going to search for senders. So inside this messaging, there should be senders, and inside senders, we can click on WhatsApp sender. And here you can see that we have this number already. It's already active. I'm gonna click on edit sender. Just gonna click on new sender. I'm gonna add this number, click on continue, same WhatsApp account, and let me just wrap this thing up. Perfect. So now that you've done, now that you have entered the OTP, you can see that this entire WhatsApp number has been added. I'm just gonna click on edit sender. As soon as I do it, you can see that we have this voice endpoint configuration. In this, you just have to select the app that you recently created, select the same app, and it should be ready to go. I'm gonna click on WhatsApp new, and I'm going to click on update WhatsApp sender. Perfect. So now it's ready to go. I'm going to click on active numbers, and you can see this entire WhatsApp number is active. You can see that we have voice and messaging URI as well. So now our connection of Twilio and LiveKit cloud is also done. So now the only thing remaining is testing the entire app. But again, before testing it, let's play around with the prompt. So in this, see that we have voice agent prompt. I'm just going to click on it, and this is the entire prompt that we are currently using. You can either use Cursor or you can use Copilot to help you with the entire prompting thing. But I have written this prompt for my own business. Of course, if you have any other business, you can add your own prompt, and the voice agent should perform perfectly. So it simply says you are Luna, a sophisticated AI voice assistant representing small group and AI solutions company. And the prompt just goes on and on with example responses, the guardrails, how it can perform more efficiently, and things like that. It has a lot of examples. So anything that goes out of context, it is able to answer those questions as well. So again, you can use any AI tool that to help you out with writing the correct prompt for your voice agent. Now that you've done that, just copy paste this command that will be given in the readme of this file, and just paste the dev command. As soon as you do it, the command will be active. Your voice agent will be active on a URL. You can see that it has registered the worker. All right, so now let's test out this entire voice agent.
Luna, from home. How can I help you with the business side?
Hey Luna, I'm Prakarsh.
How I do that?
So you can see this entire voice AI agent it works totally fine, and of course you can try it out yourself. I'm going to drop out the WhatsApp number in the description of this video so you can check out yourself. Of course, so this is the entire thing. You just saw how to take an entire AI voice agent from local dev to WhatsApp production in under 10 minutes. Imagine deploying this for a restaurant, a property management firm, or a clinic. The ROI is massive. People are very ready to use WhatsApp numbers for voice AI. If I get 50 plus comments on this video, I'm going to create a video where you can also use WhatsApp text simultaneously to your WhatsApp voice caller. You just saw how to take an AI voice agent from local dev to WhatsApp production in under 10 minutes. Imagine deploying this for a restaurant, a property management firm, a legal firm, or a clinic. The ROI is massive. A lot of people are using WhatsApp AI callers in this world. If I get 50 plus likes, I'm gonna create another video where you can use WhatsApp voice AI caller as well as WhatsApp AI texter simultaneously to one agent. Imagine you have to onboard someone and you can talk to that person on voice AI agent, and you can also provide documentation, any email addresses over text, and the same agent replies and gets all the responses. So just comment down below if you're interested. If I get 50 plus likes, I'll be making a video on that as well. Don't forget to book a strategy call if you are a business owner who want this built for their own business. And of course, subscribe so you never miss out any AI automation video from Small AI. All right, I'll see you in the next one.